The New Balance 2002R is gearing up for another must-see comeback as it lands in a fresh black and gray design that blends everyday wearability with premium detailing. This edition highlights a bold upper and lower contrast, featuring deep nocturnal suede on top and breathable gray mesh underneath, giving the sneaker a sleek but attention-grabbing look. Chrome-styled overlays and glitter-accented branding add just enough shine to make the silhouette stand out without straying from the classic NB vibe fans love. As sneaker lovers search for pairs that combine comfort, style, and versatility, this 2002R colorway easily checks every box. Whether you're dressing casual or leveling up your streetwear fit, this pair fits right in while still catching eyes. Expect this New Balance 2002R to drop soon on newbalance.com and select retailers for around $145. Stay tuned if you want one of the cleanest and most wearable NB releases arriving in the coming weeks.